Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. We are model number 1 revision classes of unit 1. We discussed two formulas in previous video. Okay, what are they? We will see now. Model number 1, transformation of product and sums by the integration. The name of model number 1, transformation of product and sum by the integration. Okay, what we discussed in previous video, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B ante 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. We discussed this formula and next formula, 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now we are going to discuss in this video another two formulas. Total 4 formulas. We discussed two formulas and the problems also. And now we are discussing another 2 formulas. I will write 2 cos A cos B. 2 causes unte em cheyali? When the given sum is having 2 causes, then what we have to do means is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. I am writing another formula. It is very important formula. Chala important formula andi gurtupettukovali. 2 sin A sin B, 2 cos A cos B in terms of causes lo untundi, and 2 sin A sin B also in terms of cos terms. Okay, cos A minus B, A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, these are the 4 formulas, very important. This is the formula, last formula is very important. They will give this formula only.